Difu Kasai Stadium along 4th CM Gold Cup ke paman pon jia phan pherang ke amai ke pha District level Kisan Mela Kolonga Pathua Klamalong ke padupon Denarong PMGSY scheme ben kesalampon ke celenga tobor psychoid hektik Karnom Karbi Prime Talong pen libertar hanbang thare harmony ben nan bertang pan pen RG thang 4th CM Gold Cup Difu Kasai Stadium along thang ni phain ko la troxy arni pen ke pathu ke pang cheng pon jia phan kasa pen pherang ke mai ke pha
Nonapong CM Gold Cup ke India pen angtan adeda tumtame nang pathu dunji pusi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang pen pherang ke amai long pangdakpon Lason si Nepal Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Sikkim, Tripura, Shillong, Goa, Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club atum angbongsi pathupon po.
Bahire, ami ako foreignot ami bakisu Nepal, Bhutan, aro Sri Lanka. Hey tinta country ami ebar invite korisu. Aro eta team aha kotha ase tiloga final hoa Indonesia to aha kotha ase kintu ebar ami arambho korise aro he khela to CM Gold Cup to Brazilor players ahibo Colombia he duta players temlokor aije Brazilor to defense ase Colombia to ase striker he duta team to he duta players temlokor jitu niki Brazilor team আগতে খেলি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ ইয়াতে আহিব মন স্টাৰ হৈ খেলিব আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ গোৱা বিলাক কোনোবা আনিব কোনোবা আসাম ৰাইফল কোনোবা আনিব মণিপুৰ কোনোবা পৰা আহিব গুৱাহাটী এছবি কোনোবা পৰা আহিব ত্ৰিপুৰা কাৰণ আহিবা এইটো প্ৰফেচনেল টিম বিলাকত আমি মাতিছে সব ভিতৰত আমি মাত্ৰ 10000 যদি সেজন লয় 10000 হ'ব আৰু এইটোতো আকৌ অহাবাৰ কাৰণে আৰু ইয়াত মেইনটেনেন্স লাগে আমাৰ তেওঁলোকৰ আকৌ প্লেয়াৰ্স বিলাকৰ বাহিৰ টিম বিলাকৰ আমি ফুডিং লজিং পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি আপ ডাউন ফেয়াৰ তেওঁলোকক দিব লাগিব তেওঁলোকৰ অহা যোৱা প্লাছ তেওঁলোকৰ যিবিলাক থাকা বোৱা এভৰিথিং আমি প্ৰভাইড কৰিব লাগে গতিকে কাৰণে সেইটো আমি পাৰ্টিকে লৈছোঁ আৰু ডেইলিটো আমি যদি লয় এনেইটো ছিজন হ'লে 16 মেটছত 10000 হ'ব 6000 আমি কনসেশন হিচাপে দিম আৰু ডেইলি হ'লে 1000 ছিজন হ'লে 10000 আৰু গ্যালারি হেবিলাকৰ ওপেন গ্যালারিটো হ'ব 100 তিনিটা টিম আমাৰ তিনিটা টিমৰ ভিতৰত আমি বাংলাদেশটো নাই ভূটান নেপাল আৰু শ্ৰীলংকা ইণ্ডোনেছিয়া তেওঁলোকক আহিব বুলি কৈছে এতিয়ালৈকে আমাক বাকী ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ভিতৰতো প্ৰায় কাণ্ট্ৰিবিলাক আহিব গোৱা কলকাতা তাৰপিছত আমাৰ ছিকিম FC আৰু মণিপুৰ নাগালেণ্ড আৰু মিজোৰাম এই প্ৰায়বিলাকৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্ট গোটেইখিনি শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা আহিব আসাম ৰাইফল গোটেইখিনি কালিৰ পৰা আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিম আৰু টোটেল টিম হ'ব 16 টিমছ হ'ব 16 নহয় টোটেল 12 টিমছ হ'ব তাৰপিছত 16 মেটছ হ'ব
CM Gold Cup যিটো ট্ৰফি লগত প্ৰাইজ মানি কিবা বহুৱা হৈছে নেকি
প্ৰাইজ মানিটো আমি 2 লাখত চেম্পিয়নটো 2 লাখ হ'ব আৰু ৰানাৰ্ছ আপটো 1 লাখ আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ খোৱাটো আমাৰ কাছাৰ পৰা বহন কৰিব
West Karbi Anglong Kolonga Pathua Klamalong 2019 Anikan Apharma Krishi Vigyan Kendra Assam Agriculture University Difu pen thang ni phain kora trop arni district level kisan mela ke padopon birta pherangki pen birta nangpali District level kisan mela ke padopon along Ali Aman pen Dr Asuk Chakra Prosenta Kumar Pathak Additional Agriculture Officer Ram Singh Hanse Superintendent of Sericulture Francis Timung Lapen Pinan ke theke dingatum chetong dunsi RD Pidun Kajitong dun aluya tumpen mayalong lamthe ke jai pon ki Karbi Anglong adang sajuti ki arak lapen worengawar sai kaviden atum apal koson pensi kajing thu dun thekjima puhai hui mayalong jai pon kisan melalong juti ki hormu ason lapen mira rong thesera rong pen chenglong pregja mahormu ador kesu ajok juti ki arak atum chonam dun thekthida lopusi pherangkyangnu bachini
Actually this is the organized
from from central government, and this channel helps the farmers in various ways, because including not only the lectures from the this one specialized person, but also from this one exhibition. You will find the various type of implements, machineries which related to the modern agriculture, because the Christians, the farmers are actually some
নহয় এই কাউন্সিলৰ লগতে হেৰি কোলাবৰেশ্যন আছে আচ্ছা এইটো বস্তুবিলাক আনিছে কিমানমান দাম কি
দাম হালদি গুড়াটো আমি থাকোঁতে 200 টকা উপস্থিত সমূহ ৰাইজক নমস্কাৰ জনাইছোঁ গ্লছা বাংকে 200 কেজি আৰু কৃষি প্ৰদৰ্শনী কাৰ্যসূচী আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছোঁ কেজি আপোনালোকে ষ্টাফ বনাই পঠায় আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ
হানচুকান দৰাবিয়ে
হানচুকান 80 টকা তথা লাচুকান 60
প্ৰদৰ্শনী এটা হেনা বাকে
আগবাঢ়িছোঁ সেই সমূহ কৃষক ৰাইজ তথা
আমি দুক থামি থেকে কন্টৰ সাপ পাম লইলিন বে দিনা দৰকে
আমি আতুকে ইংলিছ ভারো ইনিছি
কি কলংনালো নাং কপি ফানসি দাকে বাং
ये कामक्लेम मुनिकिना मासी नोपाक है ador papen long jadi long si
kodali no pa lahai ke kam klem pandi kona pensinan ke bang
Karbi long supi ni bawan te
kan tinang da pang so pini kisan mila kapa do kuna long nang liason kodali no pak yo se kono
te konong le mu pen ri dat kitchen pen tulang kono lah jawab kelang pon papkang dat te kong le
abide di peda pen da abide non se long di te ong dong atumi ko pini peda pen ke jor abide igde lo pasong thandom
नहीं नो नीली के दाम उठके हला कदो या बसु का जोड़ों ले कुछ ना पु
peda pen da abide
जोड़ों ले
ote kodali no pak nang pe da kisan milan long hem bening ke theke do si kena man si ke bang ke di
la
sami long long mo peda lo ka
long mon pe
tang te nang tum department na phan nang ya di ko
ari lang ho ka nong la meeting do lang ya la ku masi dudun ko mula ya ta meeting no ari dun ko masi hai
agriculture আচ্ছা এই লিচু ফুলি আৰু এই নেমু ফুলিবিলাকৰ দাম কিমান
100 টকা আছে 200 টকা আছে এনেকুৱা
লিচু ফুল দাম তো এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট হ'লেতো অলপ কম হ'ব লাগে
তো কমাই দিছে তো গাড়ী ভাড়া খৰচা আছে এইটো কাৰণে অলপ এইফালে আনোতে বাৰু খাটনি কৰিছে হাজিৰা মানুহ আছে
তেতিয়াহ'লে এই এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ লগত জড়িত নাই
জড়িত আছে তো অলপ কমাই দিছোঁ ভাড়া আমাৰ অলপ 20 টকা বেছি লৈছোঁ
20 টকা বেছি লৈছে তো আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজটো আপোনালোকে জানে মষ্টলি মানে BPL ফেমিলিজ হয় ইমান দাম হ'লেতো এফৰ্ড কৰিব নোৱাৰিব
কি গম পাইছোঁ তো মইতো
Karbi Anglong angkang atau kono along cingthur et nang ji lepet rong ora ratul kedam kebang aphan joy ke joy wanang jipu matha damsi BJP sarkar pen penana dimalong ka cingthur asai deng ponlo
Sitame dena ronga hawar match para kacharia rongalong towar piponlo bon sitame contractor ame thanga liaphan kachimatha chota jok ani siamat cyclem si patang detlo kiklema sai ke oi thektika jok chithar eto pusi rongara da tumpen chuning ridun lasila pusona sai kiklema tumaphan sodak pen insai nang jiputa rongara da tum ningjerinti
non malang support bir tangmu ton ponik sina
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment, this is the voting compartment, so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer, and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4, he just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
A Turkimi Academy Tifu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi.
Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap. Pipot lo nangina cusir ham tamle ini su. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo. Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati. Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita. Madhari. No alam Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke. Kalang ma konat lo lake. Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung. Rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo. Kalang ma. Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so lapen soar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig nun.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la pentesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, Karbi alang, Teso alang, kecu ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Telua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamu pipotat bertalong bangtuno. Maharana Pratap Sport College pen Parade Ground. Dehradun Uttarakhand along thang nipai inkora player ni pen. There ajiklo nipai hiniar ni an 2019 anikan abha. Second National Master Game ke paman pon along. Karbi Anglong pen kacepati along kacetoy dun abang pubang phiatum. Karbi Anglong la pen Assam along ria pharma nongme ke wana berta. Ka news sa hemalong berta nang pale. Second National Master Game Dehradun Uttarakhand along Assam Farman Karbi Anglong pen kepatu along kacipati dun atum nong me ke 1 5,000 meter race along sikaring hi bronze medal sangpi pukhilang dp puthot soarlo 5,000 meters walking along gold medal lapen 400 meters rally race along ta gold medal chipalong dun lapen soarlo 800 meters running race along ta sangpi kareng tisopi silver medal chipalong dun si Karbi Anglong lapen Assam along ria farman nongme wanlo birta ke tok apora hut anke bangso ke batu ke cepatelo ke haidun abang pubang phiatum amen longpon pet pelang Assam abha Karbi Anglong pen ke chetoy dun abang pubang phiatum batu du bomlang Karbi prime time ngala pansi kang ton ponekla dome thakme kurwang thu